Ke gwasan ban reka grammar toka waine ke tok l'Inglis. An grammar toka an ke tok l'Inglis. Te michale gerund. Gerund jen ke verb ni ke reden konte mat ke ing chit ke cooking, eating, playing. Cooking lor na tat, eating met playing angar. Enjoy, finish, like, mind, start, and meet. Ke de ti ke tishale verb ni. Kan verb ni ko la ko ya nanga ke gerund mo right ke ing form. Verb ni ba ko man michale enjoy de chole enjoying, finishing, liking, minding, starting, admitting. Ka ro ndial chol ke gerund. Kan verb plus ing chol ke gerund. Kan verb ni kon go rano dere kan en verb mo mat ke ing de je chole gerund. Chole gerund. Gerund ke riere kon tin mo ka ing chike cooking, eating, playing. Cooking tat, eating met playing angar. Ken chol ke verb plus ing form ke gerund. I enjoy playing soccer. Noga je lungu no to ben angar ke kure. Kila loida tet mungare ke kure. I enjoy playing soccer. No more, I'm playing a gerund. Ko a verb plus ing which is playing. I enjoy playing soccer. Rieda mo, rien luno to la loida tet the long mungare ke kure. Kila na mo long mungare ke kure. No more a red kel mugwa mudera ngajo playing karwade jen chwale gerund. Gerund to kwaine. Kwa luna joto arien muoka wewe jen chwale no. I don't mind coming back. Chen logo no de lunjok. I don't mind coming back. Chen logo no de lunjok. I don't mind coming back. Coming jen a word verb plus ing ke jen a riet mu woka wewe makane kapchong. I don't mind coming back. Kende ti chalke gerund. Chan ranyok. I dislike cooking. Chan amnoka no detal. Ke chilo date the no detal. Kien loka tat. I dislike cooking. Lahan tada loki loka tat. No more amuk continuously low wake cooking a gerund. Gerund chikon lado kan verb ne timat ke ing. Ke kujamo en gerund emo mat ke ing. Tan namaguj. We discussed changing our teaching style. Gwamienten word la gerund amendian. Changing ajala gerund chwale gerund. Gerund. We discussed changing our teaching style. Chine la do to bene duop andala ne ngi keje bene ger. Again, molot sentena moje. Kim do bride man chala discuss changing our teaching style. We are changing a verb plus ing form. And no more a word verb plus ing mishale gerund. Chale gerund. Gerund bi ngajo a verb mamat ke ing. En verb ni kono shungaj chike mamat chike mu chike playing, enjoying. Okay. Sorry, I delay paying the school fee. Paying a gerund. Sorry, I delayed paying the school fee. A verb plus ing mishale gerund. Sorry, I delay paying the school fee. Paying a word gerund. Gerund a verb mamatke ing form. Mimo a continuous tense. Katokwaine. Sorry, I delay paying the school fee. I couldn't help laughing the whole day. I couldn't help laughing the whole day. Kajaria de me la laughing again kietok again la gerund. Gerund karia den kon tin toke bakulo mat ing. Shike enjoying, playing, fetching, cooking. Can area dial cooking tin matke ing form. kie ken chwal ke a gerund. I couldn't help laughing the whole day. Chen mulwang ko de tok de je fel. Okay, michi mugo aje tok dong de tok dol lung she de malpel. I appreciate giving me this opportunity. Chilore te the lung ka mugwa chi kamama. I appreciate giving me this opportunity. Chilore te ka mugwa e chi kamama. Giving a gerund. Giving a continuous tense. Chereke verb, give a verb, bakul moj ing, bakula giving, bakul chole gerund. I appreciate giving me this opportunity. Muluno chilore teza lung ko shia kam magwayame. Chilore teza lung ko shia kam bang titi. Opportunity cherke ka bang. Giving a gerund. Bukon ngajo gerund a verb plus ing ka tok kawaine. Gore je bukon ngaje nema bukon lo banaje lingogwa. I anticipate arriving on time. I anticipate arriving on time. Arriving a gerund. Kojen take a ing form. Muluno tema of continuous tense. Muluno nagaje lungo de machup kapet. I admit it lying to you. Shengedo chakach. Shengedo no chakaji. Like, I admit it lying to you. I admit lying to you. Shengajo chakach. Lying a verb plus ing. Muluno jen a gerund. Please stop talking. Jin churach. Jin kamno di chong. Jin perach. The patient start coughing. Coughing a verb plus ing, mishale gerund. The patient start coughing. Chiramandanan kulit to do wal kimmen bej ponde watch a talk kemikile. The patient start coughing. I regret leaving school. Luno changaji chame jenglat ko chedul gorka chaje banpin. I regret leaving school. Leaving a gerund. Muluno a verb plus ing form. Verb plus ing form. Muluno chale gerund. I prepare speaking to writing. Jen lana nong nu de write kagwar. Lo no kono write long kagwar. Speaking a verb plus ing form. Mishale gerund. Muluno ngu de we kawa. Writing bono a ing form mo chale gerund. Would you mind calling me back? Would you mind calling me back? Share de nyoko yodeka. Share de nyoko yodeka. Calling a verb plus ing mishale gerund. Do you love speaking English? Speaking a gerund. Speaking a gerund. Muluno a verb plus ing. I like playing soccer. I like playing soccer. Playing a langar, playing a mopoinde, mutually gerund. Gerund mo a verb plus ing. I keep thinking about you the whole night. I keep thinking about you the whole night. Thinking a verb plus ing, mutually gerund. Right con, career the contextually gerund. I hate getting late for work. Getting late, a gerund. I hate getting late for work. Chanja nogo no to bejen, gwalat. She finished cleaning the room. Cleaning a verb plus ing. Mimochale gerund. She finished cleaning the room.